Most lightweight travel backpacks make you choose. Go cheap and sacrifice quality, or spend $250 plus for something that actually works. The Tomtoc Navigator Liteway is trying to be both. A 40-liter carry-on that weighs just over 2 pounds for under $100. This is the successor to our top recommended budget travel backpack, but it's even lighter, and Tomtoc says it's even better. I've been testing this bag for months to see if it actually delivers on that promise, and today we'll dive deep into everything you need to know about this bag. We'll cover the dimensions, materials and build quality, dive deep into the organization and standout features, and I'll give you my honest, unbiased thoughts on whether or not this bag is worth your hard-earned money. By the way, Tomtoc did send us this bag for testing, but they have no influence over our opinions or editorial process. Let's dive in. First up, dimensions. This bag measures 20.5 by 13 by 9 inches. We'll put centimeters on the screen as well. Those numbers mean this bag is carry-on compliant on roughly 78% of airlines worldwide, which is a very solid score for a 40-liter travel pack. It's not quite personal item territory on most carriers, but it'll fit in the overhead bin with zero drama on the vast majority of flights. Now, here's where the Liteway earns its name. It weighs just 2.36 pounds. That's 1,070 grams. For context, bags like the Able Carry Max EDC come in around 3.4 pounds. The Matador Globe Rider 35 is 3.1. Getting a 40-liter carry-on down to 2.36 is genuinely impressive, and for anyone flying budget airlines with strict weight limits, it's a seriously nice benefit. Part of how they got the bag so light is the material. The Liteway uses dual fabric construction, 400D ripstop polyester on the main panels with a grid of reinforcement threads to resist tearing, and then 1680D polyester on the base where you actually need the toughness. This is the same material that you'd find on bags that cost 2 or 3 times more. It's made from recycled materials too, about 30 plastic bottles per bag, which is a nice bonus. The bag comes in black, gray, and green. The look is clean and minimal. It doesn't scream budget bag, which I genuinely appreciate. YKK zippers throughout, and as you'd expect, they glide very smoothly. The lockable zippers on the tech compartment fit a cable lock up to 4 millimeters, which is a useful security touch. Overall, the bag is made really well, and nothing stands out as, oh, that's cheap to me. Hey, if you've gotten value out of this video so far, please hit that like button. And if you like videos like this, you're gonna wanna subscribe because there is way more where this came from. All right, let's dive into organization. The main compartment opens clamshell style, fully flat, like a suitcase. If you use packing cubes, this is gonna work beautifully. It's a big open cavity designed to be modular, which is how most of my favorite bags operate. There's also a secondary duffel style front opening with a hidden zipper. So if you need to grab a jacket or a snack without laying the whole bag down and unzipping everything, you can just access it from the front. I really like that. The bag has these compression straps, which help keep everything from shifting around, and like if the bag isn't fully packed, they help pull the profile tighter so it's not sagging or folding over on itself. There's a quick access top pocket for your phone, wallet, keys, and back here is the tech area. The tech compartment opens up to 180 degrees so it can lay fully flat at TSA, and it fits up to a 17-inch laptop, which is larger than a lot of premium bags that are at like 15 or 16 inches. There's also a padded tablet sleeve for a 13-inch tablet or iPad. The laptop rides on a false bottom, suspended about 1 inch above the base of the bag, so if you drop it or set it down too hard, the laptop hopefully never takes a direct impact. For the price of this bag, that's a really nice touch. On the sides, you've got 2 stretch water bottle pockets, which are nice and functional, and they fit up to a standard Nalgene size bottle without a fight. Now, before we move on, I want to talk about something that has gotten completely out of control. You're carrying and protecting all your most important stuff in a bag like this one, but what about your data? Right now, data brokers are collecting and selling everything about us. Our name, our phone number, browsing habits, even your home address. If you search this yourself, you are probably gonna find way more info about yourself in public than you'd like. It is a massive invasion of privacy, and most people have no idea it's even happening. Now, technically, we as consumers can request removal from these lists and databases, but there are hundreds of them. So doing it manually takes a significant chunk of time. Time you could be spending, I don't know, picking out your next backpack, taking an awesome trip. That's why I love today's sponsor, Incogni. You sign up one time, give them permission, and then they go out and demand removals on your behalf. I joined Incogni actually 2 years before they ever became a sponsor of this channel, and they've already scrubbed me from nearly 700 databases. I get way less spam calls now, and when I search my name, I don't show up on any of those lists. If you want to protect your personal data, click the link below for 60% off an annual plan. They also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's basically no risk. From a guy who did this before they ever sponsored us, I think it's a no-brainer. Huge thanks to Incogni for sponsoring today's video. So how does this thing actually feel to carry? The shoulder straps are very well padded. They've got a pretty dense foam that holds up under weight, and they wrap around the shoulders quite comfortably. There's an adjustable sternum strap that helps keep the load from pulling outward, and the back panel is a 3D mesh design that ventilates decently well. One thing worth mentioning, no hip belt, no load lifters, okay? This is a conscious design choice, but it does mean that if you're carrying a full load, it's riding on your shoulders and your upper back. For airport travel, city navigation, maybe no problem, but if you like having the option, just know that going in. There's handles on the top and the side so you can carry it like a duffel when you need to, and there's a luggage pass-through strap on the back so it slides securely over a roller bag handle. One note, when the bag isn't fully packed, the lighter fabric can kind of sag at the top, so cinch the internal compression straps and it firms right up. All right, so let's talk price on this guy. At the time of recording, this bag retails for $95.99, and it's frequently on sale for even less. Compare that to the Osprey Daylight 26 plus 6 at $100, another bag we love, but it's 26 liters, not 40. The packed Arrow is $259, and our highly recommended 36-liter ULA Dragonfly is $319. This is a 40-liter, TSA-friendly, carry-on compliant, lightweight travel backpack with YKK zippers and a false bottom laptop protection for under $100. The value is frankly absurd. And so in terms of who this bag is for, this bag is legitimately the budget king. It's the bag I'd recommend to someone who just wants something that works without spending $250 to figure it out. I also think it's a great first serious travel backpack. If you've been using a gym bag or a cheap Amazon backpack and you're ready to upgrade, but you're not ready to commit to a premium bag, I'd start here. If you decide the Liteway is for you, please consider using the links in the description below. Using that link just helps us keep this channel rolling at no additional cost to you. Now, it's not without cons. The one real knock is the warranty. 1 year is standard, extendable to 2 if you register on their website. For a $95 bag, understandable. But if a lifetime warranty matters to you, or if you want more premium materials and a more refined carry system, there are bags that we'd recommend way above this one. So check out this video here to see how this bag stacks up against the heavy hitters. Thanks so much for watching. Happy travels.